Welcome to Online Learning Box, and today I'm going to explain about this artwork, my artwork. Actually, I want to reveal some secret how I make this kind of artwork. So, see, this is an layer by layer work, and this is the main lady holding her hoodie. So this is the main, and this kind of artwork is contemporary and mixed of the surrealistic artwork. And see, this here I'm using some pencil sketch and normal pencil sketch. So I need to remove this. This is a normal pencil sketch. Okay, and this is I'm make this here. Look, just you can easily create this kind of glasses, this flat type of glasses. Just I'll show you. This is Alter, Control and Alt for the window user, and just a little bit of this. And what I'm doing here, just Alt, holding Alt and click on your shape builder tool. That is your shape builder tool. Shortcut is Shift and M for the window user, and just holding Alt button and just drag one time, and see, this is the glass one part. I'm just one part, and just holding Alt and click on this part of circle of your mouse, and then duplicate it. And this is how I made this sunglass. Okay, and for giving this kind of effect in her lip, what I'm do here, just a gradient tool, using gradient tool, and you can find more gradient from here. This is a gradient. Okay, you can find more gradient here. So just I'm Control Z, then Control Z, and see, this is the gradient. Okay, and you can change the transparency from here and making marks from here, but I'm not doing here. Just draw the shape of okay, just just unselect it, and just see, just draw the shape with brush tool or any other tool, but I prefer here brush tool. So just upper lip. Just now I'm using my mouse, but when I was creating this lady, I'm using that time my pen tab. So it is better use pen tab. That will give you perfection. So see, this is and you can change the gradient from here. See, and little double click here, sorry, and you can see the all gradient. You can change one by one. So it is and you can change yes, you can change this part, and I think that this one and this one also. Okay, and see the effect. I can change the color of or gradient of this part. Is it looking better? See, you can change the degree or angle from here. Linear, just okay, and just I'm doing here Alt, pressing Alt and some, okay, and like this little bit of, no, it's not necessary. Right, this part there, and scroll down your mouse. Okay, I think that's better. No, I'm not satisfied. See, is it easy? No, this is not good looking, so I'm going to change. Yes, it is a little bit of experimental thing, so play with your experiment. Also, look, there's another kind of effect, so I'm not satisfied, so just drag it. Okay, so Control Z. So I'm just showing you how I create this artwork, just only using here gradient tool, and the shape builder tool is also tool, and brush tool and pencil tool. This is eraser tool also. 1, 2, 3, and here one thing is I need to share is clips tool. Okay, 3 and 5 tool is more than enough to creating this kind of artwork. So you can easily do this kind of artwork, but remember one thing, that I'm just pressing Ctrl Z for going to previous menu. Just you have to remember in your mind that layer, here see the layer, all of layer panel is open. Layer is also your friend whenever you did something mess around this typography, so you can easily manipulate, easily change this layer. So when you creating your artwork, always try to create more layer to emphasize your artwork, to for the preserving or editing in future time, so it will be easy for you. And I'm just showing you, and this video tutorial actually see there's a nice effect, but see what happened with this effect. You can change manually by pressing selecting this one and zoom out, okay, and just press Z, okay, Z, and see, I need to change this part and just drag it in this one, and this one also, okay. So this is also a nice effect, and you can see all of this artwork layers easily. And here some scribble type of effect by this tool, pencil tool. Previously talked about this tool, and this is a short video. So beautify your artwork. Please subscribe my channel for future update. This is a minimalistic style. You can see, you can use here some cloud type of things. That's looks very nice, but I'm not doing here. Just telling you. So, and it is also available in Redbubble, so you can go there and buy the print on demand if you think that is useful for your home decor or office using. So thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, stay tuned.